So Sunday, November 17th, customer called us day before yesterday and said they're coming up the highway. They got here too late last night, but they want some repair and restoration here. We got a narrow gauge. I don't know what year right now. Missing a wheel. Another wheel there looks flat. Yeah, we're gonna that's just what I saw right now. It's definitely a commercial fishing bombardier, and we're gonna find these guys and get out to the shop and let Dad do the walk around, see if we can even help these guys. There's another wheel missing there. That axle looks bent, or it's off the axle, I don't know. So narrow gauge, don't know the year yet, but we'll figure it out with Dad right away. So I just pulled into the parking lot, and this is the new customer. Gonna go find these guys inside. Can't leave yet because somebody parked in their parking spot. So find out what's going on. So here's where we're at. It's about 20 to 11, and that red vehicle in front of the Bombardier is not a hotel guest. So that clown who's got bricks for brains decided last night to park in front of these guys' trailer. And yeah, so they have literally no other option now other than to hopefully maybe drag the trailer into a position where they can load up on it. But if you've got zero brains, my suggestion is don't drive, and specifically don't park in front of somebody else's trailer. So to the Bricks for Brains driver, owner of that red vehicle, you really need to make better life choices. Well, it looks like they're getting it moved a bit. I don't trust this, but it's their trailer. When you're faced with a problem, you just gotta think through the solution here.
Some more. Some more. Yeah.
A lot of pressure on that trailer hitch.
But I would put a solid one in the
So
back.
Dad's starting off with the initial walk around here, and he's talking about shocks and whatnot here.
Yeah, we'll take this panel off too, stick it inside there. Yeah, but if
So I just opened up the back thing there. It says it's a 1956 C-17. Don't think I've ever dealt with a C-17. Maybe I'm not reading that right, but I'm going to send the tag off to Marcel there in Quebec and let him tell me more about the machine. It's a narrow gauge. These guys are using it for commercial fishing. I did that earlier chunk of the video, but the tires apparently they have, but that one back tire looks like it could have a potential bent axle there. They need new sprockets for sure.
here, on this side, see?
Oh yeah, sure.
That's what chews up your sprockets.
Yeah. So
So what you have to do then, you take a grinder and you grind both sides. So it's smooth.
So they have a lot of work here. Dad did an initial walk around earlier, quick 5 minutes, and he just came back in and started kind of warning these guys on what's going to happen around here. And so 2 bent axles. I just overheard Dad say. Let's take a look in the engine compartment before Dad comes here. Oh shit. Okay, so doors falling off. Gonna have to put new hinges in here. They do have the plastic fuel tanks in there though. That looks rough. Her dad's swearing already. They should look at the bogies though, and everything else might be good here. I don't know, but we'll find out. I'm gonna open up this side, and that's locked up pretty good. So we'll have to get those guys to unlock the door there. Let me have to climb in there and take a look on the inside. Okay, so this is the commercial fishing special. He's got his skis in here, and I don't know where they're hauling anything in the back there. I think it's just oh okay. I was looking, where's the escape hatch? It's up here.
I'll show you how easy it is to change these when we're in the
Okay,
shop.
it doesn't look like it has to be too much work on here, but the escape hatch is okay, I guess. Standard transmission, so Dad might not like that, but we'll let the guys know about going to automatic power steering. Okay, some cleanup here. It's looks rougher than I think what it is right now.
Wait and have it redone.
Yeah.
Then you're like new again.
Yeah.
So he's just talking about the rad and how it's leaking.
The exhaust is going here.
Yeah.
I got new ones of these.
That-
I don't even have a, what do you call it too?
Hey?
I don't even have a cover for my carburetor. That's why I use the.
Oh no, I got the spare one.
Okay. And my manifolds.
I cut this off here, right?
Oh yeah, okay.
And put a new chunk in there.
Okay.
And then we body fill it and prime it and paint it.
Oh, that's worked. And I got a new heater in my other old blonder.
Yeah.
I got a new one like that.
Okay. Well,
The one I got from Shavers.
what about the core? Is the core not leaking? The
No,
rad?
no,
Okay.
no, it's good.
And then we'll put new ones of these on, eh?
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
The wiring has to be completely redone.
Well,
Yep.
I'll put a box in at the back and we bring all the wiring to the front. But
Oh, yeah.
there's no use marking nothing down. You guys just get me a down payment whenever you can, and then you phone and come here, get a hotel room, and we'll get at it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, they're just talking about Dad gave up on the list here because
That should be enough to run.
there's too much to go here.
Well, we have to hook
Dad wants to see these guys succeed in their business. At 83, like, he wants the work, but he doesn't need to do all the work, so they're going to come back up here and maybe spend a week or two helping out in the shop. That's going to save them considerably on labor, and they're still going to have to pay for Dad's time, but and that's the expertise, but the labor costs with these guys are any good at working throughout the day, then we can save some significant cost savings there. But they had some throttle issues here. That's why the one guy was in the front. So both these guys are from Barons River, which is in southeastern Manitoba. Took them 12 hours to get here yesterday. Delayed here this morning because of the idiotic person who parked in front of their trailer. But Dad's already swearing, and just you can see the veins popping out of his forehead already. So
Reconnect all the wires in there. Get going again.
Okay, make sure you're in neutral and try it.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, bump it some more. Okay. Hold it. I'm gonna go get some gas, give it a shot of gas. Another thing we're gonna do, put electric fuel pump on.
Well, that's what I have on there right now.
Well, it's not working. There you are. Okay, wait now. Leave it on for a minute. Leave it on. Okay, pump the gas a little bit and then try it. Okay. Not getting the gas. Oh no, it's flooded.
Flooded, I guess, yeah.
Just press the gas pedal right to the floor and keep it there.
Sometimes I do this.
Yeah, but you see the
Yeah, lots of gas, yeah.
just hold the gas pedal right to the floor and then turn it. Try it. No.
I put it up twice before I came.
This morning?
Not at home, like
Yeah. But it got a chill up in the way up here. Okay, Ralph, you can go and get the Chevy,
Okay.
and we'll put the wraps up and pull this thing off.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these guys are now unloaded. Dad's taken the job. He's stopped going through the to-do list. There's lots of work to do. These guys are just leaving now, and they got a 12-hour drive back, and they're bringing another machine on Tuesday. So the dogs are very excited about the next season of Dad's repair shop here. And so yeah, 58 C-17 narrow gauge, lots of work that needs to be done. Dad made a deal that if these guys help work on it, then obviously they're going to save money on labor. We're going to set them up with different parts here, what to do. And so they can do some cost savings there. Dad wants to see these guys succeed and get back to work, but part of that is coming up with the cash and also making sure that they're here to do some of the heavy lifting because Dad's 83 and he can't do everything. So yeah, this is going to be a lot of work here, but I told the boys, like, the tasks sound simple on a list, but it can sometimes take 3-4 days to get done. One of the first things we're probably going to get them to do is strip everything out of the inside, and then anything else that's can be removed. We got to take the tracks off to do work. So told them I can't leave my job to come and help Dad, and Dad doesn't like taking tracks off now. They're going to need new sprockets. Ryan, if you're watching this video, you're going to get a big customer order here right away. Ryan Johnson is parts supplier just outside of Gimli. You guys want to buy some parts, you can go see Ryan. I think Brent Belfry is also selling parts. You guys can go do that. Dad can repair a lot of things. We got some stuff in stock, but we always want to support our manufacturers of parts because there's only a couple guys doing it. And they may end up going with Dennis Evans' spare tires there as well. So this is going to be a good, quick restoration project. We want to get these guys out the door and back to work. Okay, that's it. Probably next video is going to be on Tuesday.